You're exhausted. You've been scrolling job boards for hours, applying to anything that looks close enough, and still nothing. I see it every single week with veterans that I coach. People applying to 20, 30, 40 jobs, half of which they aren't even qualified for, just hoping something sticks. That's not a job search. That's survival mode. And it's burning you out. Today, I'm going to show you a completely different approach. By the end of this video, you're going to have a free AI powered tool that stops the doom scrolling, finds the roles you're actually aligned with, and tells you exactly what to do next, step by step. No guesswork. I've coached more than 800 veterans through this transition. And I built this tool because I kept seeing the same exhausted pattern over and over. And I knew there had to be a smarter way. The free download, it's in the description. Go grab it now or at the end. Either way, stay with me for the next few minutes. I analyzed hundreds of veteran transitions, and the pattern that shows up every single time, it's not a skills problem, it's an alignment problem. The wrong jobs, the wrong strategy, the wrong amount of energy spent on things that don't move the needle. Let me describe exactly what I see happening, and you tell me if this is. You open up LinkedIn or Indeed, you start scrolling, you see a title that sounds kind of right, so you click it. You read the first 3 or 4 bullet points. It's not a perfect fit, but it's close enough, so you hit apply. Same resume, no changes, and you move on to the next one. An hour later, maybe you've applied to 8 jobs. 2 of them you generally were qualified for. 3 of them you probably weren't. And the other 3, you don't even remember clicking on them. Look, that's doom scrolling with a resume. And it's costing you more than time, it's costing you confidence. Every rejection that comes back, or doesn't, chips away at it. Here's what the data from veterans actually shows. And 90 days is the average financial runway before it hits the family. 49% end up in the wrong job. Not because they were unqualified, because they were in survival mode and grabbed the first thing that said yes. Sound familiar? 31 applications to get 1 interview. If you're lucky. When you're applying to everything, you're targeting nothing. That's not a job market problem. That's a misalignment problem. So on top of applying to the wrong roles, your resume isn't even landing correctly for the right ones. This isn't about working harder. You're already working harder. This is about stopping the scatter and replacing it with a strategy that only puts your effort behind roles you're actually qualified for and genuinely aligned with. If you're 6 months from ETS, or maybe you've been at this for months and nothing is moving, I need you to hear this. Your approach is not going to get you there. And you don't have the runway to find that out the slow way. The problem isn't you. The problem is nobody gave you the right system. And that changes today. I want to be upfront with you about something. A lot of people here just use AI for your job search and immediately think, I don't know how to do that. That's not for me. It's too complicated. This video is specifically designed to change that for you. Whether you've never touched an AI tool in your life or you use it every day, what I'm showing you today requires 0 technical skill. Look, if you can copy and paste and attach a file, you can do this. I built a complete framework in a Word document with ready-to-made prompts. All the instructions are pre-written that you just fill in, attach your resume to it, and send. That's it. The AI does the rest. I'm going to walk you through every single step right here in this video, so there's no confusion. It's called the AI Job Search Assistant. It's free. It lives in this description. And here's exactly what it does for you in 1 session. It analyzes your resume, and if you have military experience, it'll translate your MOS codes, your job titles, and military language into civilian terms that ATS systems actually recognize. It searches for 5 to 10 live job postings matched to your actual background, not your job title, your skills, all posted within the last 7 days. It gives you an ATS score for every single role, the exact keywords missing from your resume for that specific job. It researches the salary range for the top 3 matches. So you never spend 3 weeks applying to a role that can't pay what your family needs. It identifies veteran-friendly companies who are likely hiring for your role even without an open posting. And it gives you the LinkedIn message to send them this week. And it even ends with a 30-minute quick win. One action specific, the highest leverage move available to you right now. All of that in one message to either Claude or ChatGPT, whatever platform that you use. Let me show you exactly how it works. But before the demo, I want to say something directly to you. Job searching when you're burnt out is one of the hardest things to push through. You put on your best face for interviews while running on empty. You stay confident after 20 rejections. You keep going when the system keeps telling you no. That's not a weakness. That's a veteran trying to operate without the right intel. Your mission didn't end when you took off the uniform. It just changed form. And a mission deserves the right equipment. This tool is that equipment. Now let me show you how to use it. We're going to demo in Claude today. I have a paid account, but it will work in a free account. The link's in the description. First thing, make sure that the web search is enabled right here in the input bar. If that's off, the AI can't find live postings, so turn it on. The tool is a Word document. Inside it, the master prompt. Select all of this, copy it, and paste it into Claude. Don't send it yet. These brackets at the top, your information goes here. Location, target role, radius, salary range if you have one, your 3 non-negotiables for the next role. 2 minutes to fill this in. The more specific, the sharper your results. Now attach your resume. This is the move that separates this from every other job search tool. You're not asking the AI to search for a job title. You're handing it your full background and saying, find the roles that match this person. If you haven't grabbed the document yet, pause this, hit the link in the description, download it, and come on back. It takes 30 seconds. The rest of this will make a whole lot more sense when you're looking at it. All right, and send it. Watch what comes back. Resume analysis first. Your experience, your skills, your military to civilian translation. Right here, it's already built your professional profile summary. Copy this to LinkedIn before your next application. Now, the job search matches. 5 to 10 roles, all live, all within the last 7 days, ranked by how well they match your background, not your job title, your skills, your experience level, your location. ATS score, missing keywords for this specific role. Look, add them to your resume before you apply. 10 minutes could be the difference between filtered out and first round interview. Salary intelligence for your top 3. This prevents you from spending 3 weeks on a role that was never going to pay what your family needs. Hidden job market targets. Veteran-friendly companies likely hiring for the role right now, even without a job posting, with a LinkedIn outreach message ready to customize and send. And the 30-minute quick win, one action, not a list, the single highest leverage move available to you today. That entire report built around your resume, your location, your target in minutes. That is what focused effort looks like. Here's what I want you to understand about this tool. Finding the right job is step 1. Getting the offer is a completely different mission. The ATS score gets your resume seen. The salary intel keeps you from underselling yourself. Here's your action right now. The AI job search assistant is in the description. It's free. Download it. Fill in your profile, attach your resume, and go run your first search this week. Monday morning works well. Do not let another week go by with the same strategy that you've been using and expect different results. Look, if this hits different, if you've been doing exactly what I described and you know it's time to change the approach, drop a comment and share with a friend who needs this too. Your mission isn't over. It just changed form. Shepherd 1